Yeah, no, but what I usually do, because try to get your hand in there with a 14 rod plier. It's a little bit long, but it'll work. Okay, mine's touching.
Yours touching? Push up. Wow, that's a first. Hold it.
Yeah, that's the first.
Something's wrong.
With it being hit like that, the studs will be a little bit crooked. You know, I'm getting it back up there. But they line right up.
Plug those things in. I like it. This thing's about to get started. Very, very shortly. Like, real shortly. Make sure that this stuff's... Get that last quarter turn. We're gonna have an exhaust leak.
You might want to tell them, make sure these wires don't touch the cap and if they don't hang down, because if somebody don't put them brackets, stick them back up in here, you know, they hang.
Yeah.
It's important.
Okay, cat's on, radiator's on, they're plugged in. Our suspension's done.